My wife found a new treasure on the marketplace last week, so I spent some time cleaning, adjusting, and fixing it up. It turns out this particular typewriter was built in 1939. Back then, Franklin Roosevelt was president, gasoline was 19 cents a gallon, bread was 15 cents a loaf, and this typewriter sold for $42.50. It survived World War II, probably trading civilian work for service duties, maybe overseas. Then it came back home with the greatest generation. Over the next few years, it likely moved from one typist to another in a steno pool. In the 1960s, it may have been used to create reports related to the polio epidemic. After Salk finished his work, it may have been used to type up prescriptions for the new vaccine. Maybe it went on to college, typed up term papers, doctorate candidate theses. Most likely it was used in private business. This machine has seen 6 wars, 14 presidents, 2 new states, the invention of jets, lasers, transistors, computers, space travel, cell phones, the internet, and social media. And after 81 years, it's still around, you can still buy ribbons for it, and it still works. There's something challenging about that, about a machine that can still fulfill its intended purpose after all this time. There's a lesson in that for every leader who wants their organization to outlast themselves. Wise leaders recognize that business continuity requires clear purpose, focused values, and a vision that is shared by every single team member. They know it doesn't happen by accident, only by honestly facing facts, objectively analyzing performance, and openly addressing issues. And this is just the first step. At CultureShoc, we are all about walking this path with you, guiding you and your team through the other 5 steps. Don't just survive this current situation, be ready to thrive. Run into this storm and know that we are here to help you. Stay well.